Okay, so we've talked about knotting, but let's talk about a magic ring. These are a different way of starting the crochet, and I do mine a little bit different. You may find an easier way that you like better. So I basically loop the yarn so that it's across the thing, and then I have my working loop here. So it's basically over, and I'm holding it here, and then I grab my needle or my hook and I twist here like I normally would, but go underneath, grab the yarn, and then pull through that twist. So we've got this working ring here, and then the tail here that we need to go over to create our stitches. So in this case, I'm going to chain one, and then I'm going to go into this ring, and I'm going to single crochet, or in UK terms, double crochet 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to move the tail just a little bit so that I have more room. And this is number 6. All right, now that I have my 6 stitches on here, I'm going to take this tail and pull, which is going to tighten that. And then I can come back up here, and in this first single crochet, go in, pull the yarn through, and do a slip stitch, which is basically taking this and pulling it back through the original loop so that it's all in the circular. So then what this does is let us do circles. So I can chain again to be our first single crochet in the US or double crochet in the UK. I'm going to turn back the other way because I prefer doing it that way. And in each of these 6 stitches, I'm going to single crochet twice. So we did 6 in the beginning. This is going to be 12. So 1, 2 in that one. 1, 2 again. So that's 4. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 9. 10. And then 1, 2, and that gets us back to 12. So I'm going to go back into this first single crochet from this round and slip stitch, and that's the next round of our circle. And what we can do is, if we keep going to keep this flat, this next row, I'm going to chain 1. Again, I'm going to turn and go back the other way and do 2 in this first one and 1 in the next one. So 2 in that one, 1 in that one, 2 in this one, 1 in this one, 2, 1. Basically do that all the way around. And then the next row, when we get to that point, we're going to do 2 in the first one and then 1 in the next 2. So for every loop or every round, we add 1 more single crochet in each single crochet around to keep it increasing. So the double crochet or the double single crochet is what's increasing it, and then the additional keeps it from getting so big. So that was 2 and then 1, and then basically if we do the next one, we'll do 2 in this one. 1, 2, and then 1 in the next 2. So 1 there, and see how we have this hole? That's where we go in to do the stitches. So again, this round will be 2 in 1 stitch and then 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 1 all the way around. And then the next row will be 2 in 1 stitch and then 3 individuals. So 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 as we keep going around, and this will keep our circle relatively flat. But see how round this is?